The farewell for at least one more game. Fox 9 Scott Wasserman is live on the plaza. Scott, we were out there earlier with you. Has the excitement died down any?
No, these 54,700 plus out here are definitely excited. I'm kind of surprised, though, because people are actually trickling out here, and there's still some time to go for the Twins to catch up. You know, as we turn our attention from the game to the weather, it was actually 39 degrees out here as the game started, 68 degrees inside. Definitely some happy people to be on TV tonight, but, you know, the weather, it didn't make everyone so happy.
Perfect weather. This is October baseball.
And October also means rivalries. Yankee fan Amanda Katner and her avid Twins boyfriend, Zach Whitman.
How does this relationship work?
It's very complicated. This is how we're going to break up. We've decided if we can go through this game, we can pretty much go through a lot.
Playoff baseball, bringing excitement back to the Dome for at least another day. And the cold couldn't keep fans from lining up 2 hours before the gates even opened.
We know how to dress for it. We're not dumb.
Dressing to get to an indoor baseball game is one thing, but what happens next year at Target Field?
I'd stand outside out there for 2 hours, too.
Everybody ice fishes, right?
So play baseball.
We can go to a baseball game, no problem.
It's going to be very cold in October. I would not like sitting outside like this. I'm going to miss the Dome horribly.
But the Twins planned for cool weather, saying Target Field will have radiant heating suspended from the ceiling in the main concourse, and every level has a place to get out of the weather.
If it's a little chilly on an October evening, that means we're playing postseason baseball, and that's a good problem to have.
Even Gardy knows the game plan come next year.
We have heat underneath the grass, so it's going to melt it. You don't have to worry about that. It's all covered, okay? We took that into consideration. It's cold out there. That's what it's going to be like.
But it's outdoor baseball, he says. As for this year, inside the Dome,
Oh, man, it's electric. The place is just brimming with enthusiasm.
fans turned up the heat and the volume.
It was 39 degrees outside for the beginning of this game, 68 degrees inside.
Oh, man, there's no place like Dome.
Where optimism rang out loud and clear.
It's like David and Goliath. The Twins never quit. They are tough. They do not give up. And that's the Minnesota spirit.
But can this spirit carry over to Target Field on a brisk October day?
Even in October when it's this cold, they'll come out in droves.
And they certainly will next year. You know, even as this is October here in Minnesota, other places are feeling like November as well. Take a look at some video from Colorado. This is the Rockies and Phillies game that was snowed out yesterday. Snowed out yesterday, the Rockies and the Phillies. It pushed the Game 3 to today and Game 4 to tomorrow. So certainly they have a contingency plan in place in case these things happen. You know, if we're in October and playing baseball and it's snowing, I think the fans are going to take it next year. For now, we're live at the Dome. Scott Wasserman, Fox 9 News.